Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a slice of pizza with cutlery. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a slice of pizza in the middle. First, I draw a triangle shape. Then I draw the edge of the pizza like this, with a wavy line where the tomato sauce will end up. Later, I draw some salami and a cute face for our pizza. I draw its two cute eyes and its smiling mouth. I draw a fork on this side. And a knife on the other side. I love it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color the pizza first. I use this light brown marker here. Then I use red for the tomato sauce. I use this marker for the salami. Then I paint the rest with yellow like cheese. And gray here. For the handle of the cutlery, I use aquamarine. Fuchsia. Oops. Fantastic. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.